We're back with Going in Depth in Animal Company. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. I'm about to go depth. I'm about to go in depth. Mafioso's coming after me. We have my friend, Diddy Frankie. Diddy Frankie. Diddy Kong, as I call him. And, if you didn't see the last one, he was dead on the floor right there when it was an old map, but now he's actually gonna help me. No, what the let's get started. Oh my god! I'm helping you.
Alright guys,
today we're gonna be blowing up my little brother's room. 3, 2, 1. Round 2. Why is it not working? They didn't like our game. No. 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 No!